Hey everybody, what's up? It is Sarah with the Unleashed Beauty, and today I am in my bathroom. I know it's crazy echoey in here, and I'm so sorry, but the bathroom is actually getting a little bit of a makeover, and so everything is out of here right now. Fresh coat of paint is up, and I'm just waiting on the delivery man to bring me my Amazon order so I can get my decorating on, okay? So sorry about the sound. I'm sure it's crazy. The lighting might be too. But I wanted to walk you guys through this really incredible mask that I found and show you how easy it is to use and tell you a little bit about it. So I hope that you guys enjoy this one. Be sure if you are not already subscribed to my channel that you click that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so that you never miss an upload. Just so you guys know, I have a new blog up and running. It is the Unleashed Beauty blog. You can find it at theunleashedbeauty.com. I will have that linked down in the description for you guys. So you'll want to go check it out because this video and the blog about pumpkin in skincare kind of go hand in hand. The mask that we're going to talk about today is the Bambu Earth 2-in-1 Pumpkin Oat Glow Mask right here. It is from Bambu Earth. Pricing on this guy starts at $10 for the mini, which is what I've got right here. I think it's gonna last me a while, so I figured that was a good place to start, but you can get bigger sizes of this. I am a Bambu Earth affiliate, so disclaimer there, but you guys know that my opinions are always my own, 100% honest, and I would not be affiliated with a company or brand if I did not believe in the products that they offered. So let's get started with this mask. All right, so I went ahead and just threw my hair back. I usually do this mask immediately after cleansing. You can use this one like every third day if your skin is super sensitive and you kind of need a break between masks. Use it once a week or every other week. It's just kind of up to you. And the really cool thing about this one is that you can use it as a glow or a mask. So we're going to talk about that, but I would normally use this right after cleansing and my face would be damp. So I'm just going to use a tiny bit of water here and just get a nice damp surface to start with. All right, now that that's done, in order to use this, obviously you're gonna need to mix it. It does come in powder form. So it says to use 1 to 2 teaspoons. I never measure, even when I cook. Scary, right? So I just pour a little bit out into the palm of my hand and I kind of try to guess about a teaspoon or so. Okay, just like that. And then you're gonna add water until it forms a paste. So I just, again with the water, all the noise, right? I just sprinkle a little bit of water into that powder and then I just use my finger and mix it right up. You can use a bowl, you can use all kinds of fancy schmancy stuff to do this, but you really don't need to. It's super simple. And you guys wait until we talk about ingredients on this one because even the ingredients of this one are simple, which is awesome, right? So I've just got this into like a nice pasty consistency. Shut off the water. And now I'm just going to apply that right on to my skin. Again, I'm working a little bit quickly just because I want my skin to stay damp. I could have waited to get my skin wet until I got my mask mixed, but what fun would that be? Okay, so as you can see, I'm just kind of putting this on all over my face, making sure I get as much of it off of here as I can. All right, and then you're just going to gently massage it into your skin for about a minute or so because this one does contain oat kernel powder, and so it's going to give you a really gentle exfoliation. So this one is good for all skin types, but the anti-aging benefits of pumpkin, you guys, are insane. So it's particularly good for mature skin. But anybody who's got dull skin, dry skin, you just want a little bit of a pick-me-up because this is going to help brighten this is going to be good for all of you. So if I was using this just as the glow, I could go ahead and rinse it off at any time. But I like to use this one as a mask, so I'm going to let it hang out on my face for about 10 minutes or so. It says like 10 to 15 minutes. You just want to let it dry, and then as soon as it dries, I will be back. I'm back a little bit early because I did want to go ahead and take a few minutes to talk to you guys about what's in this mask and the benefits. Okay, so ingredients, I'm just going to read these straight off of the packaging. Even with the mini bottle of this one, it has the ingredients listed right on the bottle, which is incredible. So this one contains kale and clay, corn kernel meal, pumpkin powder, oat kernel flour, chamomile flour. Okay, so these are certified organic ingredients. That's one thing that I love about Bambu Earth, you guys. They're sustainably harvested. Everything is handcrafted. It's just very environmentally friendly. They're in glass packages, so that's nice too. So why do you need pumpkin? If you guys read the blog, you know, but I'm going to give you all a quick rundown here for those of you who may have missed it. The first reason I love pumpkin in skincare is that it is chock full of vitamins. You guys, you've got your vitamin A, your vitamin C, your vitamin E. So we are fighting free radicals with these products. We are fighting the signs of aging and protecting from future damage. And we're also getting that gentle exfoliation from the fruit enzymes and the AHAs, which are alpha hydroxy acids. And if you guys care about skincare, I'm sure you know that AHAs are super important to increasing cell turnover. So it's just one of those really great natural exfoliants. It's going to be gentle on your skin, but still get the job done. You're going to get those anti-aging benefits. You are going to get protection for your skin's barrier from environmental factors and free radicals. And you guys, you're going to get the antibacterial properties of the pumpkin enzyme too, which are going to be great for helping fight acne. Now, the pumpkin and the oat are also going to work to control your oil production. So, and there's some hormone regulation going on in there with that pumpkin as well. So if you suffer from acne, even if it's hormonal or cystic acne, pumpkin is a great ingredient for you to look for in your skincare. All right, you guys, we're going to wash this off. But if you want to learn more about the benefits of pumpkin in skincare, go check out the blog. It is linked down in the description box. Okay, so to rinse this mask, super easy stuff. I'm going to have to disappear for a minute though so I can lean over my sink. But you're just going to get the water pretty warm, not hot. Don't use the hot water. It's not great for the skin. All right, and then I'm just going to rinse it. Whew. All right. So we are rinsed and clean and fresh. And you guys, this is going to help my skin tone look so nice and even. I absolutely love this one as a mask. I haven't used it as a glow yet, but I'll be doing that at some point soon. Just pat your skin dry when you're done. And then you can follow up with your toner and any serums or treatments that you use. And then of course your moisturizer, and you are set. All right, guys, so I did go ahead and follow up with my toner and my moisturizer, and my skin feels amazing. I do have a little bit of redness right now. That is just from applying my moisturizer. As soon as that calms down, my skin will look incredible. I am obsessed with this mask. If you guys want to grab one of these to try, again, this is the Bambu Earth 2-in-1 Pumpkin Oat Glow and Mask. I will have it linked down in the description box. Just be aware that is an affiliate link, so I may see some compensation if anybody does make any purchases. Just got to throw that out there. Cover all my bases, right? It's my little CYA. But if you do try it, let me know what you think. I hope you guys will love this one as much as I do. Also, if you guys love the DIY skincare stuff, because I know it's a little iffy sometimes, but there are some really great ones, especially this time of year. If you have a favorite pumpkin mask recipe or scrub or any kind of anything like that, drop it in the comments, okay? I always love to see what y'all are up to. So be sure to give this video a thumbs up. If you liked it, give it a thumbs down. If you don't, it does not matter to me either way, because it doesn't matter to YouTube. So thumbs up it. Thumbs down it. It's your call. No hard feelings. But if you did love this video, be sure to share it with your friends. Okay, share it on your social media, send it to a friend, whatever you want to do. And also, you guys, again, if you have not already subscribed, please hit that subscribe button and ring the notifications bell. All right, guys, I really do hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope you all have a beautiful day. Be kind to one another. I'll see you in the next one.